Warning: prior to starting any procedure, ensure that the weapon is unloaded and all ammunition is removed from your workspace. Begin by taking your flat-tip screwdriver and remove the original pistol grip. Ensure that you do not lose the safety detent spring located in the side of the pistol grip. Open the trap door located on the bottom of your SAW pistol grip and insert the original pistol grip screw. You'll have it protrude through the top of the grip and lower it onto the lower receiver. You want to slowly begin to index the screw using your finger. Before fully seating the SAW grip onto the lower receiver, reinsert the safety detent spring carefully into the side of the grip. Ensure that the grip is fully seated and tighten the pistol grip screw until it is snug. Close the cover to the storage area located at the bottom of the pistol grip. You have now completed installation of your AR SAW pistol grip.